So, how was everyone today? Doing good, I hope. Today we're going to do Stromboli, but we're going to do it the easy way, okay? So, you say the easy way? What's the easy way? Well, what do you have in your refrigerator or freezer right now? Do you have a can of croissant biscuits? Because if you do, we can make Stromboli. I'm going to show you how. Now, you're going to need an egg wash, okay? You're going to need some red onions. Now, I'm going to do a Stromboli with different things here. I got peppers as well. I also have mushrooms, okay? So I got some black pepper. I got some cheddar cheese, shredded, of course. I also have some mozzarella cheese, shredded, of course. So I got some basil, and I got some crushed red pepper and some oregano. More importantly, I also have thin slices of buffalo chicken meat, okay? So when I say thin slices, basically, see, it's really thin. Okay, and then I have some pepperoni. So, you ready to get started? Because I'm hungry, and I know you are too. Oh, don't forget, glass of wine. I've already rolled out the croissant dough. So next thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna do an egg wash, okay? So we can do an egg wash over the whole thing. Dough needs to be either 6x6 or 12x12, okay? So you're gonna get your tape measure out and measure it. All right, now, egg wash is done. Next up, let's go ahead and put our shredded chicken in it. Time for the pepperoni. Now, cheese. Onions. Peppers. Seasoning. Mushrooms. More cheese. Next, start at the end, and we're gonna roll everything up like so. It's like this. And then you're folding the dough inside on the ends. See that? So, roll some more and fold inside on the ends. Like that. So once you rolled it, take another of the croissant dough and roll it out again, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap the Stromboli you just made into another part of the dough, like this, okay? Now, I went ahead and I put some black pepper down, you know, just to season it a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of basil over top of it too, okay? Remind you, this is all rolled up. I'm gonna roll it again, just like that. All right, so now it's rolled. We're gonna cut some slits in it so that the heat can escape. All right, so now it's time for the egg wash again. Over top of it. There we go. Time for the oven. 350, 25 to 30 minutes. Voila, our Stromboli. Time to cut into it. Well, Stromboli is done. You want to take a look and see how it looks? Take a look at that. That's the inside. See? All that goodness. Let's take a taste. This is good. This is really good. So if you follow along, do it at home, you too will be enjoying some Stromboli and a nice glass of wine. Have a good one.